I look good, period.
I'm a fucking sex symbol. She wants to lean, she want the Gucci. I ride with them harness on me, I got a blue cheek. Pull up in a Jeep, I put it on for a G. I want your body, give me lock up on the front seat. We gon'
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see by the title of the video, we're gonna be doing another celebrity recreation. Mugopus just kind of just drop, you know, this look right here on the gram for us today, and I said, you know what, I know exactly what I'm gonna do for my Fridays video. I'm gonna recreate this Rico Nasty look. I love Rico Nasty's glam team. She is always killing it. If you guys don't follow her, you need to. And then also follow her other makeup artist, the Sky Edit, because she actually put me on. She's always working with dope creatives, so I'm not shocked that Mugopus is also a part of her team. Like, don't get me started on his work. He's the bomb. So I hope that I did his look some justice, and if you guys want to see how I recreated Mugopus' look on Rico Nasty, you already know what to do. Keep watching.
All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away. You don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you around. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away. You don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you around.
And this is it for the final look, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I absolutely love the way that the look came out. I think that Mugopus did his thing, so I hope that I did his look some justice. I absolutely adore Rico Nasty. She's always coming with fire looks. So between Mugopus and the Scott edit, the girl stays beat, period. So if you guys like to see me do more celebrity recreations, don't forget to thumbs up this video so that way I know that you guys like this type of content. Also, don't forget to subscribe and to share the videos. And I love talking to you guys in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts on this look. Or like I said, if there are any other looks that you guys would like for me to recreate, definitely tag me in them. I'm gonna leave my Instagram up here so you guys can make sure that you follow me. And then just tag me in the looks that you guys want to see me recreate, you know? But it's been another great tutorial. I absolutely adore you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.